this video, I'm going to go over some hamstring curls, some bridges, and some beginner core exercises. Here, for the springs, the lighter the resistance, the easier the exercise. So I just keep it on the low spring. For hamstring curl, lie down on the mat. Bring the heels, first of all, keep the heels parallel. Bring the heels on the top of the chair. Maintain some space under the low back, so don't smash the low back into the mat. Create some space, the space that naturally your spine has when you are standing. Arms by your side, palm face down, look straight up. And you can squeeze the bottom of the shoulder blades together and then open up the chest. You have to find a space where you can pull the paddle down. So you need to scooch forward and back to find what is the right space for you. So let's pull the paddle down. Keep the knees in line with the hips. Keep the feet in line with the knees and the hips and the shoulder. Let's do 8. Inhale and exhale. And 2, inhale and exhale. And 3, inhale, exhale. And 4, exhale. And 5, exhale. And 6, inhale and exhale. And 7, inhale and exhale. And 8, inhale and exhale. Next, bring the feet out wide, turn out, knees turn out, feet turn out. Maintain the space in the low back, palm down, chest is open, bottom of the shoulder blades squeeze together, look straight up. And same thing, pull the paddle down and lift it back up. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Next, heels apart, knees together. Maintain the space under the low back, chest is open. You can have your feet turn in, but keep the heels at the edge of the foot paddle. Palms down, look straight up, and push the paddle down, and lift it up. And inhale, and exhale, and 3, inhale, and exhale, and 4, inhale, and exhale, and 5, inhale, and exhale. Squeeze the bottom of the shoulder blade together. And 6, inhale, and exhale, and 7, inhale, exhale, and 8, inhale, and exhale. Last one in frog, so heels together at the edge of the paddle. Keep the space under the back. Shoulder open, bottom of the shoulder blade squeeze together, palms down, look straight up. Pull the paddle down. This is, you feel it mostly in the butt, the deep hip joint. Right, the deep external rotators by the hip joint. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And the next one, let's go over the bridges. So pull the pedal down, press the pedal down, arms by your side, and lift the butt up 8 times. 1, 2, squeeze the bottom of the shoulder blade together, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, bring the pedal up. Reverse order, so heels apart, knees together. Push the pedal down and lift the butt up 8 times. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Lift up so that there's a straight line, if you can, from the knee to the hip to the shoulder. What was it? 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And then the next one is heels apart, knees apart, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And then the last one, the heels are parallel, knees parallel. Push the pedal down and lift 8 times. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And lower down. Lift the pedal back up. Scooch back. Bring your legs on the mat. Bring the hands behind the head for core and crunches. So we're going to curl up as high as you can and lower down for 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Arms by your side. Arms by your side. Chest is open for lower core. Pull the knee into your chest. Lift your butt up if you can and roll back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then last core exercise, hands behind your head. You're gonna bring the knee to your forehead and forehead to the knee. So roll up into a little ball. It's hard. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's it for today. Thank you.